For cutting large format tile, you need the right blend of power tools and jigs to get straight, clean, and crack-free cuts. Start with a wet tile saw equipped with a continuous rim diamond blade matched to the tile material, because large format porcelain and thin porcelain slabs need steady cooling to prevent thermal shock and chipping. Set the fence and use a slow feed so the blade does not bind, and always support the tile fully across its entire length to avoid snapping. For on-site or oversized slabs, consider a track saw or bridge saw that lets you score and cut beyond a table saw capacity, and clamp the slab to a straight-edge track so the cut follows a perfect line. When using a track saw on a fragile tile, move slowly and make one pass for a clean finish. A scoring wheel or manual snap cutter can handle simple straight cuts on thicker ceramic or rectified edge large tiles when you cannot move heavy equipment, but expect less precision, and always score from the glazed face with even pressure. For inside corners and shapes, use an angle grinder with a diamond blade and work from the back of the tile to reduce face chipping, keep the grinder moving, and finish edges with a rubbing stone or sanding block. Build a simple cutting jig for repeated notches or rabbet cuts by clamping a sacrificial backer board to hold tiles flat and guide the saw or grinder. This maintains consistency and protects the tile edges. Always wear eye protection, hearing protection, and a respirator when dry cutting, and whenever possible choose wet cutting to reduce dust and improve blade life. Common mistakes include pushing tiles too fast, which causes chipping or broken pieces, so slow the feed and let the blade do the work to prevent stress fractures. Another issue is inadequate support for large tiles, which leads to snap breaks or uneven cuts. So use continuous support boards, roller stands, or a full bed on the saw to keep the tile flat. A third frequent problem is using the wrong blade for the material, which causes poor finishes or rapid wear, so match a continuous rim or turbo diamond blade to porcelain or natural stone and replace blades when cuts get rough. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and contractors with work opportunities, while offering a discussion community where users share real experiences and practical tips. We use the platform to compare approaches, ask questions, and learn what tools and methods professionals actually recommend.